Good morning to all of you. Very few days back, we have discussed an incident in which the UP State Bar Council rebelled against the Bar Council of India and passed certain resolutions and also passed certain caustic or adverse remarks on the functioning of the Bar Council of India. The main allegation is that why should the Bar Council of India interfere into the day-to-day administration of the Bar Council of a state? Of course, they have actually had some discussion on 15th May and ultimately they came to a actual sort of compromise and the issue has been settled. Now another issue has raked up in Punjab and Haryana High Court Bar Association versus Bar Council of India. So another issue has come up. Luckily, it is also just like the same issue with the UP State Bar Council, and the issue has been subsided almost by the intervention of the Bar Council of India. Right. What happened is in February 2021, the Punjab and Haryana High Court Bar Association, please remember this is not Bar Council, Punjab and Haryana High Court Bar Association. Bar Association is different from Bar Council. So, High Court Bar Association, the advocates of the Bar Association, advocates of the Bar of the said High Court, they passed a resolution on the transfer of the CJ. He is Mr. I will tell his name also later. And resolution is okay. So they wanted to give him a transfer. So they passed a resolution for the transfer of the Chief Justice of the said state. What are the reasons? The reasons, as per the Bar Council, Bar Association, is continuous closure of the High Court. So due to the COVID-19, normally every court is closed, but they are allowing the virtual hearings like bail petitions, anticipatory bail petitions, or writ petitions, or public interest litigation. All these things they are doing. But here the court is virtually closed, and it is leading to consequential denial of justice, because justice should be done in time. So justice delayed is justice denied. You all know it. So the Bar Association of the Punjab and Haryana High Court is of opinion that since there is a consequential denial of justice, better to transfer the so-called Chief Justice of the High Court. Furthermore, they also demanded that they removed the Advocate General Atul Nanda. So they have removed the name of the Advocate Atul Nanda from the membership of the Bar Association. Normally, who is Advocate General, one of the members of the Bar Association, he will become the Advocate General for a short period, maybe 3 years or 5 years, like that. So they have removed him also, right? Since he is acting in favor of the Chief Justice and he is not supporting the Bar Association. So this is the thing happened in February 2021. So this matter has come to the notice of the Bar Council of India, right? So Bar Council of India, they have given. So first of all, the Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana High Court, they have taken up the matter and they have given stay proceedings so against the resolution of transfer of CJ, because it is against to rule numbers 10 and rule number 1011 of the rules of the High Court Bar Association, right? So because you can't ask for the transfer of the Chief Justice, so you can request him or you can go against his proceeding. That's all. You cannot ask for. You are not the government to transfer him, or you are not the Supreme Court to transfer him. So this reason for the stay is so it is the resolution is wholly unjustified and uncalled for, right? So immediately the Bar Council of India also interfered, and they have requested or they have cajoled the Bar Council, Bar Association of the Punjab and High Court, stating that. So this is a crisis period. You have to rise to the crisis. This is not the forum or this is not the proper time where we have to show the resentment against the Chief Justice of a particular High Court. So we should stand united. We should stand united in this pandemic period. And of course, we can have free flow of communication, and you have to maintain the dignity of the institution. This is more important. That's why, once again, let's go back to our rule number 1. Professional standards or professional ethics rule number 1. Professional ethics people you will be knowing. So you should maintain the dignity of the court as well as your own dignity. Even while presenting your case, even otherwise also, you have to maintain the dignity and decency of the court, as well as you have to have a respectful attitude towards the court. Let him be Chief Justice of any time. Let him be Alok Verma or some Sharma like this. But you should keep up, you should have a respectful attitude, but you should not show dissentiment in this manner, right? So now, ultimately, the matter has come to the Delhi High Court, and Delhi High Court once again asked them to have a dialogue. So it was done through virtual conference. Ultimately, normally the Punjab High Court also agreed to take up virtual counseling regarding the anticipatory bails, habeas corpus petitions, and etc. important transfer petitions like that. Now, the Bar Council of India once again stated that the Bar Council of a state should desist, Bar Association of a state or particularly Punjab and High Court should desist from making such a reckless and irresponsible so-called decisions. So they should think twice. After all, we are all legal fraternity. After all, who is a judge? He is also a man who studied law, and by the virtue of his intellect, he became a judge. That's all. So you should not try to deprive him. No doubt, you can have a dialogue with him, or you can express your resentment by wearing the black flags, things like that. But this is not the way you have to behave, particularly in this pandemic period. Please remember, for professional ethics, this is a very good suggestion. I hope all of you will understand this, and in future, don't do such things. Thank you very much.